Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Mohammed. I'm from Iraq, from Basra City, and this is my granddad, and this is my brother Walid. We are coming here to India to do surgery, ENT surgery. So it is my great pleasure to meet Dr. Conal Nigam here in the Sanaa International Hospital. Actually, when I'm talking about Dr. Conal, I'm talking about humanity dealing. Actually, he's a very honest guy, and he gives all the time. He gives enough time to explain everything about the health issue with the Sayyid Tu'ma. So Sayyid Tu'ma did a surgery in Iran, and that surgery wasn't successful. So we did this surgery again with Dr. Conal, and Dr. Conal did this surgery again in perfect way. So it was very complicated and very difficult operation, and it took about 6 hours in the operation theater. But Alhamdulillah, after the surgery, Sayyid Tu'ma feels very well now, and we are going back to Iraq. So Dr. Conal actually gave enough time to explain what's the operation or surgery procedure, and what's the risk, and what's the complication, and also the recovering time. And he explained medication. So even on his holiday on Saturday, he visited us twice in hospital just to check the Sayyid Tu'ma healthy, and everything is going well with the Sayyid Tu'ma after operation. So we really thank the Dr. Conal for his efforts, and actually he's very intelligent guy. So did this procedure and this surgery, complicated surgery. So we thanks to the God to meet Dr. Conal and solve this issue with Sayyid Tu'ma. So it's very good experience to be here with Dr. Conal. So we are looking forward to cooperate with the Dr. Conal in the future. So in such cases or different cases, inshallah. Thank you very much, Dr. Conal, and your team and everyone in this amazing hospital.